Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dion. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload. And to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is a clean and exercise motivation video. I actually got up early one Saturday morning and I just did a little cleaning around the house, and I also did some exercises. And what I did was I just recorded me cleaning my kitchen and doing some exercises in my backyard. I hope this motivates you guys. So yeah. So the first part of the video is actually me cleaning my kitchen, and then near the end of the video, it'll be me exercising. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, guys, as you can see, exercising for me is a struggle. I am still learning, but I'm a work in progress. So if I can do it, you guys can do it. I hope this video motivates you guys. And guys, hey, at any age you can learn how to exercise. And when you get my age, when you're in your 40s, hey, it's a real task. You know what? I'm gonna keep on pushing and I'm gonna keep on learning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, remember you guys are great. Take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.